don't know if you can see it. I got an 09 Highlander, and I got the foggy headlights. So what we're going to do is we're just going to unfog them. Came across this the other day by accident, just because I'm kind of a backyard mechanic. But a little WD-40, and wipe it in. It is sprinkling, but I'll tell you what, this thing was foggy to the point where you couldn't see the back of the lens, and I did this one earlier. Again, it's all wet, but I found that this lasts at least a couple weeks. At least it did on my son's car, and yeah, I can't complain. So WD-40, most people have it. Give it a shot.